Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of gear. Set the level or character of. Pitch. A mechanism for transmitting motion for some specific purpose, as the steering gear of a vehicle. Gear mechanism. Wheelwork consisting of a connected set of rotating gears by which force is transmitted or motion or torque is changed. The fool got his tie caught in the gear train. Gearing, gear train, powertrain, train. A toothed wheel that engages another toothed mechanism in order to change the speed or direction of transmitted motion. Cogwheel, gear wheel, geared wheel. Equipment consisting of miscellaneous articles needed for a particular operation or sport, etc. Appurtenance, paraphernalia.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.